Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best OXO peeler available, the OXO Good Grips Y Peeler. Whether you're a home cook or a kitchen enthusiast, this tool promises to make peeling vegetables and fruits easier, faster, and more comfortable. Right out of the box, the OXO Good Grips Y Peeler impresses with its smart design and quality materials. The blade is made of sharp, hardened stainless steel, ensuring that it effortlessly peels through the skin of cucumbers, apples, potatoes, and more. This means less effort on your part and more consistent results every time. The blade is also sturdy and designed to hold its sharpness over time, so you won't be struggling with a dull peeler after a few uses. One of the standout features of this peeler is its soft, comfortable handle. Made with a non-slip rubber grip, it cushions your hand during repetitive peeling motions. This is especially helpful if you spend a lot of time prepping vegetables, as it reduces hand fatigue and makes the peeling process more enjoyable. The ergonomic shape fits well in the hand, providing excellent control and precision with each stroke. The Y-shaped design of the peeler is ideal for peeling large or small vegetables and fruits. It allows for quick, smooth peeling and makes it easy to navigate around curves and uneven surfaces. Another handy feature built into this peeler is the potato iron. This small tool lets you remove blemishes or eyes from potatoes without reaching for another kitchen gadget, making it a very practical addition. For safety and storage, the OXO Good Grips Y Peeler comes with a removable blade cover. This cover protects the blade when not in use, helping to keep it sharp and also preventing accidental cuts when you reach into your drawer. The peeler is also dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. You can just toss it in the dishwasher after use without worrying about damage to the handle or blade. In terms of size, the peeler measures just under 9 inches long and about 5 inches wide, making it compact enough to store easily but substantial enough to handle comfortably. It's lightweight, tipping the scale at just under 2 ounces, so it doesn't weigh your hand down. The OXO Good Grips Y Peeler is manual, relying solely on your own motion, but its design makes this feel effortless. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design have made it a favorite for peeling tasks in kitchens around the world. If you want a reliable, durable, and comfortable vegetable peeler, this is a great choice. It combines practicality with a user-friendly design that helps make food prep faster and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your kitchen tools, the OXO Good Grips Y Peeler might just be what you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.